So I've got some pretty neat Logitech stuff here. First, the MX Keys Mini keyboard and also the MX Master 3 mouse. And I choose the MX Keys Mini because it has a very small and compact size. I'm used to Apple stuff and the Apple Magic Keyboard, so this keyboard has the same size of a keyboard as the Apple Magic Keyboard, and also it doesn't have the num key option to the right of the keyboard. It has no numeric keys, and I really love that because I never use those. And the keyboard has actually emoji keys and also dictation built in, and you can have your microphone turned off directly from the keyboard. That's awesome for Microsoft Teams. And the keyboard also supports 3 different devices connected at the same time, so you can switch between them easily by hitting 3 different function keys. And the keyboard is a Bluetooth keyboard, and I don't see any way to use a Unify dongle with this one though. That's a bit unfortunate. So it seems that you can only connect it with Bluetooth, and it also backlit, and that's awesome. You can of course turn the backlit off if you don't need it, if you have an office with really awesome lighting, and if you turn that off you have a very good battery life on this keyboard, up to 5 months with the backlit keys turned off, and only 10 days if you have the backlit on full 100%. And it uses USB-C, so it's easy to charge it. And I really love the feel of the keys on this one. It's very ergonomic to type on this, and it's heavy designed and very good build quality. I really love this keyboard. It's amazing. And the MX Master 3 mouse then, it's the latest model of the MX Master. I already have an MX Master 2, but this is the 3rd version, and it's 90% faster, 87% more precise, and incredible silent compared to the MX Master 2. And the MX Master 3 uses a Unify dongle, USB dongle if you prefer that, or you can use it with only Bluetooth also if you want that. And you definitely don't need a mouse pad for this one. You can easily use it on any surface you want. And the battery life for this mouse is 70 days, and you can use it up to 3 hours on only 1 minute of charging. And it also uses USB Type-C now. The MX Master 2 had the micro USB, so this is a pleasure to use now with a USB Type-C. And lastly, also the Logitech Webcam C920 HD Pro. It will be used for meetings and so on, Microsoft Teams. It will be perfectly fine for that. So please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.